as dogs are concerned.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Sandra Bakery. I'm Chef 1 Kanya, and here with me I have
Chef 2 Sandra.
Today, I and Chef Sandra are going to present and explain binomial and geometric distribution. I'm going to explain the binomial distribution, and Chef Sandra is in charge of geometric distribution. Without further ado, let's go to the first question. Sanya Bakery just opened a new branch in Cibubur. For this new grand opening, they give free vouchers for the next purchase while selling 25 boxes of chocolate muffins. The probability of the free vouchers included in the boxes are 35%. Find the probability that 11 boxes of chocolate muffins are sold in that day. Okay, I'm going to explain about this question. Here with me, I have the copy of the question. And first of all, I'm going to write the formula of binomial distribution, which is Px equals to R equals to N combination R times P power of R times Q power of N minus R. Here, N is the number of trials, or in this case, it is the boxes of R is the number of success, or in this case is the number of sold chocolate muffin. P is the probability of success, or the probability of chocolate muffin sold, and Q is the probability of failure. Or we can write it as 1 minus P. After that, I'm going to find the given information from this question, which are N, R, P, and Q. We know that in this question, the N, number of boxes of chocolate muffins, is 25, because there are 25 of chocolate muffins. The number of success of, or the number of chocolate muffin that sold that day, is 11. P is the probability of success, which is 35%, or we can write it as 0.35. And Q is the probability of failure, or 1 minus P, and it is 1 minus 0.35, or 0.65. Now, after having all this information, just put all the number on the formula. So it is Px equals to 11 equals to 25 combination 11 times 0.35 power of 11 times 0.65 power of n minus r, which is 25 minus 11. After this, just put the equation on your calculator and let your calculator do the magic. Here, after I put all the equation correctly, I got the value of 0.1034 blah blah blah, and just round it into three significant figure, which is 0.103.
Okay, so with me, Chef 2, Sandra, now there's this 1 week after the grand opening, the free vouchers are no longer being applied for any purchases. Prior to its first week of our grand opening, hectic days are expected to occur. Kanya and me did not manage to bake each of every muffin adequately in that busy time of the week. It is known that 7% of error might occur. Error in one box is independent to another box of muffins. Find the probability that the first box that contains an error is the fourth box to be sold. Okay, so for this question, we are going to use the geometric distribution. Now for the geometric distribution, there's this formula. Geometric distribution formula would be Px equal to RQ, power of R minus 1 times P. Now, for this one, the Q would be the probability of failure. And for the P would be the probability of success. And the R would be the number of attempts. So here in this question, we know that 7% of error might occur, and error in one box is independent to another box of muffins. Find the probability that the first box that contains is the fourth. So here we have the R, which is the fourth box, or 4. And okay, so here we have the P, which is 7 or 0.07, and the Q would be 0.93. Now, if we find all this data from the question, we can just insert it to the formula in which P x equals to R, which we know that the R is 4. You can put 4 in there. Q, which is 0.93 to the power of 4 minus 1 times 0.07. Now we can just elaborate this into 2 to the power of 3 times 0.07. And now we need the help of the calculator. We're going to insert all this amount times 0.07. And just like that, we have the answer of 0.05630,499, or we can simplify it with 0.056.
Thank you for your visit.
And we hope that your day is as sweet as our muffins. Bye!
Bye!
La 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 la